Welcome listeners. As you already know, G Suite provides many tools like Google Sheet, Google Doc, Google Form. So here we have another G Suite product which is Jamboard. To go to Jamboard, just open the browser and type jamboard.google.com. Now you can see that it says you don't have a gem yet. So we can simply create one by clicking. Here it is, you can see the plus icon which is used to create new gem. So just click over it. Now this is processing. Now this is a new gem board. This gem is like another Google G Suite application. So first we just rename it. So I'm giving a name my project or my gem project. Okay, so it is being created. Here you can see over the left side there are so many tools which says pen, another erase, the select and sticky note. This is a very beautiful one, this sticky note. We can start with the sticky note. So today we can write something. Today is my first project day. Okay, you can choose color from here and click on save. You can see that your first sticky note is created. Now you can select it and shift it where you want. You can rotate it like this. Okay, so I'm repositioning it over here. If you want to edit or create a duplicate one, you can click these three dots available here. If you click here, you can edit. So click on edit and you can edit your message over here. And if you want to create a duplicate, so you can create a duplicate one or you can delete. So let's create a duplicate one. So you can see here it is being created. We can edit the text like this. So let's say I edit this text my class. Again, let's say a different color. I just save it. Okay, let's edit this also because of some spelling error. Okay, so this is it. And here you can see we can have the option to add image. We can upload it from the local system. We can upload it from the Google Drive, and we can have the photos in the system, or we can have the Google search. So let's add it from the Google Drive. So I have this image. Let's say I choose this one. Okay, so we can resize this. Okay, so we can add image like this. We can change the background. So you can see there are 7 backgrounds. So if I can choose this background, so this would be something like blackboard in the regular class teach, and we can also have this background. Okay, so this is how you can change your background. And here you can see there is an option of clear frame. So whatever item you have added in this frame, if you click on this clear frame, every item would be deleted. So just let's try this one. Okay, so you can see And if you want to undo this, you can either press Ctrl Z, or you can have this button to undo. And this again, further there is a redo option of, or you can press Ctrl Y. You also have an option of creating a copy just by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So copy and paste you can create like this. And if you simply press the delete button on the keyboard, the selected item will be deleted. We have this tool which can be act as a pen or marker or highlighter, or sometimes can be a paintbrush. So you can choose a color of your choice, and then if you want to, I choose pen, so we can do some hands-free work. You can write whatever you like. Okay, on simply just I'm pressing Ctrl Z. Okay, now there is one interesting feature. If you do the same just by pressing the shift key along with that, this will create a straight line. Okay, so this is how it works. You can choose an highlighter just to highlight. You can choose the brush option to paint. Okay, so this is how this is going to work. You can choose marker just to write whatever you like. Okay, if you want to add some text in hands-free style, you can do this. We have this erase option. This feature is going to delete, or you can say erase, not the delete. If you erase some of the part, if you want, what you have done. So I'm just erasing the paint work which I have done. And now you can see there is one more feature which I have not discussed yet, which is the laser feature. This feature is basically more useful when we are actually doing it on the Jamboard device. So this is a feature which highlight and then automatically goes out. So that would be majorly used on the Jamboard device. And one more feature, you can see that we can have multiple frame options or multiple pages we can add here. Just by simply clicking here, we can add. Okay, let's say I create a different background, and let's say if I want to add some image over here, this time I can Google search. So okay, so derivative function. Okay, we can choose any image that we want to discuss. Add to your board. We can have some sticky note. Introduction, let's say, to function, derivative function. In the similar fashion, you can add more frame. You can do some creative things with your board. There is an option to share if you want to have the collaborative work with others, so you can share it with this feature. Here, if you want to download this, so you can download it as PDF, or you can save the frame as image. So let's say if I click over here, so that would be saved as the PNG image, you can see. So if I click over here, so this would be my image frame, you can see. So this is it about your Jamboard. If you want to add more, any image, any frame previous to this, you can add like this. Okay. Like this. Okay, can reposition. Now you can see. So this is how you can create your own project, show your creativity, whatever you like. This is it for the day. Thank you very much.